Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangelinite, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. Alright, let's see. I ordered this online and let's see what's inside in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay na natin. Oh! Yung pinag-anuhan, Shopee Express. Tagpan natin yung Shopee Express. Ayan, XPX. Pero, nasa loob, Flash Express. Ang pinagbalutan. And, let's see. Yun nasa loob. Oh, color black. Okay, so these are some sack. Waterproof sack, guys. So, diba? Ang lalaki. Oh! And I have 2 of them, guys. Super laki. Ayan. Siyempre, matatali din natin sa yan. So, diba? And it's waterproof. So, diba, guys? Hopefully talaga waterproof siya. Yung tahe, okay naman siya sa loob, guys. Yun lang. It's very, very big. O, diba? It's big. Tingnan natin. O, diba, guys? Mas malapad sa akin. Twice of me. Twice of me. And hanggang ko. Hanggang upper chest ko. So I ordered 2 of them. And if you guys are a traveler, pwede rin kasi itong gamitin as a laundry bag din. So, kung madami kayong labahan or dahil nyo tapos sa laundry, ayan, you can use this. Or, if rider kayo and naghahanap kayo ng ganitong mga sako na na waterproof, just DM me and I will give you the link, of course. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love!